Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Mr. K. Kangraj, learned senior counsel appearing for the petitioner, has submitted that right to information is a fundamental right of every citizen. The RTI Act does not provide for any special protection to the judges. Thus, petitioner has a right to know the reason as to how the respondent number 4 has decided his appeal in a particular manner. Therefore, the application filed by the petitioner was maintainable. Rejection of the application by the respondent number 1 and appellant authority rendered the petitioner remediless. Petitioner-wide application dated 15/11/2006 had asked as under what circumstances the respondent number 4 ignored the written arguments and additional written arguments, as the ignorance of these same tantamount to judicial dishonesty. The respondent number 4 omitted to explain the fabricated documents filed by the plaintiff, and for what reason the respondent number 4 omitted to examine the documents filed by the petitioner. Similar information had been sought on other points. At the outset, it must be noted that the petitioner has not challenged the order passed by the respondent number 4. Instead, he had filed an application under Section 6 of the RTI Act to know why and for what reason respondent number 4 had come to a particular conclusion which was against the petitioner. The nature of the question posted in the application was to effect why and for what reason respondent number 4 omitted to examine certain documents and why he came to such a conclusion. Altogether, the petitioner has sought answer for about 10 questions raised in his application, and most of the questions were to the effect as to why respondent number 4 had ignored certain documents and why he had not taken note of certain arguments advanced by the petitioner's counsel. Under the RTI Act, information is defined under Section 2(f), which provides information means any material in any form, including record, documents, memo, email, opinion, advice, press release, circular, order, logbook, contract, report, paper, sample, models, data, material held in any electronic form, and information relating to any private body which can be accessed by a public authority under any other law for a time being in force. This definition shows that the applicant under Section 6 of the RTI Act can get any information which is already in existence and accessible to the public authority under law. Of course, under the RTI Act, an applicant is entitled to get copy of the opinion, advice, circular, order, etc. But he cannot ask for any information as to why such opinion, advice, circular, order, etc. have been passed, especially in matters pertaining to judicial decision. A judge speaks through his judgment or order passed by him. If any party feels aggrieved by the order, judgment passed by a judge, a remedy available to such a party is either to challenge the same by way of appeal or by revision or any other legally permissible mode. No litigant can be allowed to seek information as to why and for what reason the judge had come to a particular decision or conclusion. A judge is not bound to explain later on for what reasons he had come to such a conclusion. Stop.